lamang sukatan ng talino, kundi pati na rin ng sipag at tiyaga. Upang magbigay ng kanyang mensahe ng pagbati at pagkilala, tinatawagan po natin si Kirsten I. Gaceta, mag-aaral na may mataas na karangalan, pumalakpak ang lahat.
Wala yun. Wala siyang dalang kodigo. Hindi niya dinala kodigo niya. Hindi, wow. Nahiya ata ako.
Baka alam lang din niya.
Ako, alam naman po niya. Kaso kinakabahan ko muna.
Ma'am Gaceta. Alin? Sabi niyo parang lumaban sa saraan.
Oo.
Good afternoon to everyone present here today. To our honorable guest, Connie Lou Aidesayan, to our beloved principal, Ma'am Alvina, to our PTA president, Pastor Ramati Gaceta, to our dedicated teachers, and to our supportive parents and guardians, and of course, to my fellow completers. Today marks the end of our junior high school journey. Today carries the weight of every effort, sleepless nights, and hopeful prayers. There are times that we felt so lost and even left behind.
Kinakabahan siya.
We may even question ourselves, kaya ko ba ito? But somehow, we are still here, side by side together, and still moving forward towards our future. In the middle of uncertainties, God's promise in Jeremiah 29:11 still remains. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Does it not feel good to hear? A future planned out by God. A future not defined by our fears and failures, but filled with God's promises. His words reminds us that we are not walking into the future alone. God is already there. To our teachers who were there to teach us and guide us when we were still in our care, we are thankful. We are also thankful for your patience, even though most of the times we were such a headache. To our parents and guardians, your efforts are now bearing fruit. Your sacrifices were not wasted, and we are grateful that you are here in our lives. To my fellow completers, thank you for the memories and times we shared, the laughter and companionship we had. Even though not all of us got along. And now, we will have to part ways. Some of us will stay here, and some of us will transfer schools. But that does not matter anymore. Because today, we will celebrate an achievement. But we will also declare a new beginning, a greater faith, and a brighter future. Welcome to this moment of victory and triumph. Thank you, and to God be the glory.
Maraming salamat, Kirsten, sa iyong mainit na pagbati. At ngayon, dumako na tayo sa pinakahihintay na bahagi ng ating programa, ang pagkilala sa mga magsisipagtapos ng junior
Picture ang
high
pencil.
school